Last month, a 24-year-old college dropout made $47,000 in just 3 weeks. Not from crypto. Not from dropshipping. From AI consulting. And get this, he doesn't even know how to code. By the end of this video, you'll have his exact blueprint. But first, let me show you something that'll blow your mind. Meet Marcus from Ohio. 6 months ago, he was delivering DoorDash. Today, he just closed a $23,000 AI automation deal with a dental clinic. Sarah from Texas? She went from $0 to $85,000 in her first year helping restaurants automate their ordering systems. And they're not alone. There's a new wave of AI consultants making life-changing money. Want in? I'm about to reveal the exact system these consultants use, the same one that's created over 200 new millionaires in the past 18 months. No fluff, no theory. Just the step-by-step blueprint that's working right now. But here's the kicker, this window won't stay open forever. Here's why. Right now, we're in the perfect storm. Businesses are desperate for AI, but 97% have no clue where to start. They're throwing money at anyone who can help. But you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know how to connect the dots. And I'm about to show you how. The secret? It's called the $15,000 AI offer, and it's built on 3 simple pillars anyone can master. Before I break them down, let's bust the biggest myth. You do not need to build AI from scratch. The real money is in being the bridge, connecting existing AI tools to real business problems. That's where you come in. Let's talk about Jake. 3 months ago, he was working at Best Buy, making $15 an hour. He noticed a local gym was drowning in long check-in lines. Jake spent 1 weekend building an AI-powered check-in system using ChatGPT and Zapier. Cost him $47 to build. He charged the gym $8,500. That gym owner was so happy, he referred Jake to 5 other gyms. Jake's now making $30,000 a month. Here's how he did it. Become a detective. Find expensive, repetitive tasks that drive business owners crazy: customer support, lead qualification, content creation. These are gold mines waiting to be automated. Don't reinvent the wheel. Connect existing tools. ChatGPT for brains, Zapier for automation, Airtable for data. Like a digital plumber, you connect the pipes, money flows through. Charge for value, not hours. If your solution saves a business $100,000 a year, $15,000 is a no-brainer. They get 6x ROI, you get paid like a pro. Remember Sarah? She saw restaurants losing money on wrong orders and no-shows. She built an AI system that confirms orders by text, predicts no-shows, and suggests upsells. First restaurant paid her $12,000 plus $2,000 monthly maintenance. She now has 15 restaurants paying her. That's $42,000 a month in recurring revenue from one simple idea. Here is step-by-step blueprint week 1-2. Foundation: pick one industry you know: restaurants, gyms, law firms, real estate. Spend 2 weeks learning their pain points. Join Facebook groups, read reviews, talk to owners. Find problems that cost them time or money. Week 3-4. Demo build. Build one simple automation for yourself or a friend. Use free trials. ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com. Document everything. Package your offer. I'll automate painful task for measurable result. Start at $5,000, $10,000. Week 5-8. Land clients offer 2 to 3 free pilots for testimonials. Share your wins on LinkedIn, in niche groups. Send personalized proposals to 50 businesses. Follow up. Don't stop. Week 9-16. Scale up, raise your price to $15,000 plus. Target bigger clients. Systematize delivery, hire virtual assistants, add recurring revenue offers. Remember Marcus? His first client almost said no. The dental clinic owner thought $23,000 was too much for just connecting some apps. So Marcus did something brilliant. He pulled up their appointment data and showed they were losing $180,000 a year from no-shows. Suddenly, $23,000 seemed like pocket change. That's the power of speaking in their language, money. The money breakdown. Let's do the math. One $15,000 project per month equals $180,000 a year. Add recurring maintenance at $2,000 per client equals another $24,000 per client per year. Just 5 clients? That's $300,000 plus per year. Your costs? Maybe $200 a month in software. The rest is pure profit. But I'm not technical, neither was Sarah. Neither was Marcus. Neither was Jake. They learned as they went. What if it doesn't work? Then you're right where you started, but with new skills. What if I fail? The only way to fail is not to start. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work. But here's what's different. The market is hungry, the tools are ready, and the competition is still small. What if you could charge $15,000 for a single AI project, even if you're not a coder? Right now, regular people are turning simple AI automations into million-dollar consulting businesses. Want the blueprint? Watch till the end. Welcome to Next Gen AI Tools, your hub for unlocking the future of work. Today, I'll break down the exact steps real consultants are using to land high-ticket AI clients, automate businesses, and scale to 6 and 7 figures. No massive team, no PhD required. Let's dive in. AI isn't just hype, it's the new gold rush. Businesses everywhere are desperate to automate, but most have no clue where to start. Enter the AI consultant, the bridge between tech and real business results. Demand is exploding, competition is low, and profit margins are wild. If you can solve real problems with AI, you can charge premium fees. 3 reasons this works right now. AI tools are powerful and easy to use, no coding needed. Companies are ready to invest big in automation after seeing early adopters win. There's a skills gap. Very few people understand both business and AI. That means you can charge more and choose your clients. Identify repetitive, expensive workflows. Think customer support, lead qualification, content creation. Build automations with ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com. Typical fee: $10,000, $25,000 per project. Pillar 2. AI implementation strategy. Audit business processes, recommend and integrate AI tools, train teams, optimize results. Fees: $15,000, $50,000 per engagement. Pillar 3. Custom AI solutions. Build unique AI apps, dashboards, or chatbots tailored to a business's needs. Fees start at $25,000 and can go much higher. Meet Karen Naz. She was a marketing manager, tired of manual social media work. She built an AI-powered content machine, using ChatGPT, Buffer, and Zapier, automating content creation, scheduling, and even replies. Her first client paid $8,000 for setup, plus $2,000 per month maintenance. Within 6 months, she had 8 clients at $12,000 each. That's $50,000 per month, all from simple automations and smart packaging, not coding. Step-by-step blueprint. Phase 1. Build your foundation. Weeks 1 to 4, pick a niche you understand: real estate, law, restaurants, etc. Learn key tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Zapier/Make.com, basic APIs. Build a demo automation for yourself or a friend. Package your offer. Define what you'll automate and your starting price: $5,000, $10,000. Phase 2. Land your first clients, weeks 5 to 8. Offer 2 to 3 free pilots to get testimonials and case studies. Share your results on LinkedIn and in niche communities. Do direct outreach. Send personalized proposals to 50 target businesses. Phase 3. Scale up, weeks 9 to 16. Raise your prices to $15,000 plus as you build results. Target bigger clients with more to gain. Systematize delivery, hire virtual assistants, and introduce recurring revenue offers. Tools and pricing. Here's the stack. ChatGPT, Claude, $20 per month. Content, chatbots, analysis. Zapier/Make.com, $30 per month. Automation, Bubble, $30 per month. No-code apps, Airtable, $20 per month. Database, project management, total under $100 per month for a business that can generate $50,000 plus. Pricing tip. Use value-based pricing. If your automation saves a client $100,000 per year, charging $15,000, $20,000 is a no-brainer. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't try to serve everyone, niche down. Don't overcomplicate, start simple, iterate fast. Don't underprice, charge for results, not hours. Months 1 to 3. Build skills, create your first offer. Months 3 to 6. Land paying clients, refine your process. Months 6 to 12. Scale to $15,000 plus projects, add recurring revenue. It takes work, but the opportunity is real. Dozens are building 6- and 7-figure AI consulting businesses in less than 2 years. Ready to start your AI consulting journey? Smash subscribe, hit the bell, and drop your niche idea in the comments. I read every one. For a free checklist and tool links, check the description. Your AI empire starts today. Thanks for watching Next Gen AI Tools. Check out our other videos on profitable AI tools and automation hacks. See you in the next one. Keep building the future.